How to put fake location and Snapchat filters on iPhone. So go open Snapchat, and if we look into the map tab, you can see your location if you have this turned on. And if you have friends with turned on location as well, you can see them here. If we want to change or fake our location, we need to use our PC. Go open your browser and search iAnyGo. Click on the first result and download the app. Just set up and install the app, and after this, plug in your phone to the PC using your charger cord. Click on enter. Now you can select the device that you will connect. Click on the iPhone and then tap on next. Turn on the developer mode, just follow the instructions shown in your PC. Don't worry, you can turn this off after changing your location. After turning this on, in here you can now change your location. Click on a nearby location just to try if it will change. Click on start to modify, and as you can see, our location instantly changed. So that is how you put fake location and Snapchat filters on iPhone. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.